Yo, this place is legit, Rick.
Man, come on, you know I couldn't have you recording in some podcaster's attic.
Oh, look, on my dad's studio.
Yo, that spot never had the right acoustics. Like, I just don't know what your pops had against putting stuff on the walls.
Hey, look, man, an uncluttered space is an uncluttered mind.
Whatever,
Hey,
man. Look,
hey.
you need anything before we get started? You know, my boy's kind of doing us a favor, so we don't have much time.
No, I'm good. Let's go, bro.
All right, Tony, roll the track. Oh, this is Tony, the sound guy.
Hey, what's up, Tony? I didn't even see you, bro. My bad. How you doing?
He a little hands off. You know, he just want the artist to work.
Okay,
But
yeah.
yeah, whenever you're ready, man, it's all you.
Whooping in the clouds, wings above owls. Peep the style, my game is never on trial. Respect the technique of Geschäft with wet feet. Shoot it from anywhere, nobody can test me. We talking them jet skis, no game without me. If LA get cloudy, then my talents is South Beach. Yeah, we all do it for our mothers. Burn the hoop down album cover.
Hey, yo, how'd that feel, man?
Yo, man, I feel great, bro. Look, how that sound?
And it sound like you got bars, bro. Hey, yo, you get all that, Tony? Yeah, you got that. Hey, you want to keep going?
Yeah, come on, man, let's do it.
Man, drop that beat, Tony.
Laughed at my fashion. Been an innovator, so I passed them. All the people haters and they passed them. Stars Wall when you're George Lucas. Laser beam when I stormtroopers. People fear what they don't understand, but then they get mad because they don't dare to do it. Everybody a shining star, they ain't get far, so they can't prove it. Most stars foolish, full of gas, useless, pushing bad influence. Wonder what happened to them. They say hurt people, guess that is proven. They put on a mask to mask feelings. Fill a universe with mass ceilings. Most people not even